Hey and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you. And also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. So today we want to recommend you our 5 best books about cryptocurrency for beginners. For all the beginners out there, what is crypto? Cryptocurrency is now widely recognized as a distinct asset class. Cryptocurrency and blockchain underlie this decentralized currency, which has the potential to revolutionize banking and payment processes. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum were 2 of the best performing investments of the 2010s, resulting in the creation of millionaires and even billionaires as their value skyrocketed. At this time of making this video, the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies has surpassed 1.5 trillion. Cryptocurrency and blockchain are complex technology with a large vocabulary and set of ideas that newcomers must grasp before losing their money. Furthermore, the trend is towards increased complexity. Beyond merely purchasing and keeping crypto as an asset, new DeFi ventures yield farming possibilities, and code splits are giving speculators with multiple ways to make or lose money through it. The finest cryptocurrency books may serve as your introduction to the subject and aid in the development of a fair comprehension of all you need to know, including the hazards associated with Bitcoin purchases. Whatever your experience level and specific area of interest, there are numerous crypto trading books on the market to suit your requirements. So far, this year alone, a number of guides have been published, packed with value-added content. Some cover the fundamentals of digital currency trading, examining the basic building blocks of blockchain, crypto wallets, and exchanges, whereas others look at the history of different financial systems or dive into the technicalities of various analytical tools and investment strategies. As such, here are some of the best books about cryptocurrency for beginners. The Age of Cryptocurrency: How Bitcoin and Blockchain Are Challenging the Global Economic Order, 2016. How Bitcoin and Blockchain Are Challenging the Global Economic Order is a wonderful place to start if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency. Wall Street Journal reporter Paul Vigner, who covers Bitcoin, blockchain, and the cryptocurrency industry, and Michael Casey, Chief Content Officer at CoinDesk and former senior writer for the Wall Street Journal, covering global economics, markets, and cryptocurrency, contributed to the book. A simple and impartial read that explains the greater underlying story of cryptocurrencies that you won't get from extreme cryptocurrency aficionados. The book explains cryptocurrency's origins, purpose, blockchain technology, and what you need to know to navigate the future cyber economy. In addition, the book delves at the connection between cryptocurrency and the global financial crisis of 2008, as well as the public's skepticism of current financial systems. Number 2. Money, the True Story of a Made-Up Thing, 2020. This is a must-read for everyone interested in learning more about the history of money and cryptocurrencies. Jacob Goldstein, a graduate of Stanford University and Columbia University's Graduate School of Journalism, who used to work for the Wall Street Journal, penned the book. He is also the co-host of the excellent Planet Money show from National Public Radio, NPR. Simply said, the book is a well-researched and enjoyable look at money throughout history. It goes through the history of coinage in ancient Greece, how the Mongol ruler Kublai Khan developed paper money backed by nothing, American banks and the founding of the Federal Reserve, the gold standard, current cryptocurrencies, and more. If you're interested in the future of money, this book will help you understand where it originated from and how it operated in the past. Number 3. Blockchain Bubble or Revolution: The Present and Future of Blockchain and Cryptocurrencies, 2019. The Present and Future of Blockchain and Cryptocurrencies is a must-read for everyone interested in learning more about blockchain technology and its progress. The book was created by 3 technology specialists who formerly worked at Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Other decentralized blockchain systems and alternative cryptocurrencies are currently posing a serious threat to Bitcoin, and this book forecasts how the sector will evolve in the future. This book is well written as it explains blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies in a manner that even those without a technological background can understand. In terms of content, the book covers topics like Bitcoin and blockchain technology, possible applications of blockchain technology and how to determine if your business needs that technology, how Ethereum is different from Bitcoin and how they can coexist, smart contract technology, stablecoins, regulations and how cryptocurrency may replace fiat currencies in the future, and more. In summary, the book provides a well-researched perspective of the present and future of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Number 4. Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, 2019. Next up is the Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies book, which was written by the same people who brought us the massively popular For Dummies series. Since the publication of the first For Dummies book in 1991, the series has produced billions of dollars in revenue and sold over 250 million printed copies. I believe the series' popularity stems from the fact that it covers a wide range of topics, from bookkeeping to Shakespeare, and takes the fear element out of learning. Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies is no exception, as it provides a good introduction to trading and investing cryptocurrencies profitably. Reading the book will equip you with the know-how to choose the right cryptocurrency with the help of real-world examples as well. You will also gain a good understanding of how the cryptocurrency market works, a framework to help you pick the right cryptocurrency, as well as advice on how to start investing in cryptocurrency. The book will also assist you in developing clever investing strategies depending on your unique risk tolerance. Kiana Danal is a personal investment and wealth management specialist who has been published in the media such as the Wall Street Journal, Time Magazine, CNN, Forbes, The Street, and others. So, if you want to get a decent head start on investing in cryptocurrency, this book is a wonderful place to start. Number 5. How to DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been touted as a potential solution to the problems of centralized financial systems. It also can provide the underbanked access to financial services and commerce opportunities that they might not get from centralized financial institutions. Simply put, DeFi is an umbrella term for the digital ecosystem of financial services built on a public decentralized blockchain network like Ethereum. The defining feature of DeFi is the use of technology to remove intermediaries between parties in a financial transaction and achieve the goal of decentralization. In other words, DeFi aims to provide an open, borderless alternative to any traditional financial system you use today. This book provides a straightforward introduction to the DeFi ecosystem with accessible explanations and step-by-step guides to help you gain a good understanding of it and kickstart your journey in the fast-growing ecosystem. The first part of the book starts with a comparison of traditional financial institutions and DeFi, as well as an introduction to the DeFi ecosystem. The second part of the book covers how you can get into DeFi with an exploration of Ethereum, smart contracts, decentralized applications, and cryptocurrency wallets. The third part of the book is a deep dive into DeFi and explores stablecoins, cryptocurrency lending, decentralized exchanges, and more. The last part of the book explores DeFi regulation, as well as how an explanation of how the authors of the book envision where the DeFi sector is heading. So here's our conclusion. We gave you here what we think are the best books about cryptocurrency that will give you enough knowledge so you don't have to call yourself a newbie anymore. These books have it all, and they are written for a broad audience. You don't need any special knowledge to understand them. Just sit back, read, and join the minority of people who actually do know a thing or two about Bitcoin. Soon enough, you will be the one who is starting a conversation about it, and everybody will listen to what you have to say. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please give a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. If you feel like this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know if we should make more videos like this for you guys. Please, we care about our community, and with that being said, a big thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.